Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to change Facebook Reels setting. First of all, open Facebook and then tap on your profile icon. Now click on the three lines and navigate to settings and privacy. Now click on settings. Now search for Reels section. Now once you see Reels, click on it. From here you can adjust who can view your future posts and if other people can share your reels to their stories, comment permissions, etc. Review each option and choose the settings that best fit your preferences. And that's it. That's how to change Facebook Reels setting. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.